In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a website from Lovable. If you're ready to showcase your work to the world, but you're not quite sure how to make that happen, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have all the tools needed to get your website live. So let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Lovable's official website. This should be your starting point. Once you're on the site, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout if it's new to you. You'll find it user-friendly and straight to the point. Now let's proceed to the next step. Once you're on Lovable's homepage, look towards the top of the page and you'll see the Login button. Give that a click. This is where you'll enter into the more personalized part of your website creation journey. If you're not already registered, you might need to set that up first, but for today, we're focusing on those who already have an account. After clicking Login, you'll usually have several options. Today, we'll be going with Continue with Google. It's convenient if you have a Google account and keeps everything streamlined and easy. Just select your account from the list or sign in if you haven't done so already. Now that you're signed in, you'll see all the projects you've been working on. Scroll through your projects and click on the one you've been gearing up to publish. This is where the magic really starts to happen as we prepare to bring your creation to life. Next, look for the Publish button. It's typically located in the top right corner of your project page. Click on that, and this action will initiate the process that gets your site from the draft stage onto the live internet. Finally, you'll be guided through a series of necessary steps to complete the publication process. Each step is straightforward, but be sure to double check your settings. This might include confirming domain settings or choosing a hosting plan if applicable. Take your time here, as these choices can affect how your audience experiences your site. And there you have it, your website is now published and ready for visitors. Remember, launching a website is a significant milestone, so take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. If there are any adjustments needed, Lovable makes it easy to update your site and republish. Thanks for joining today's session, and enjoy sharing your newly published website with the world.